Hi, how you doing today? Today I wanted to speak to you about the importance of safety. Last video I didn't have my chaps while I was cutting down a tree. My friend has since returned them to me, and I wanted to show you something, why they're important. A number of years ago I was using my chainsaw, and this is what happened. As you can see, I could have lost my knee. My chaps saved me. The chainsaw happened to touch my knee. I had my chaps on. Thank goodness. Today we're going to start digging some trenches. I've been working on the shed. I keep saying it, but it's a little time consuming. It's getting there. But time to start digging some trenches today for the water in the sewer. So, here we go. About 6 months ago I brought the water over to here. You saw me pull a stake out of the ground. That was indicating the end of it before, where I needed to extend that up into the slab there. And it calls for 12 inches. I like to do about 14 just to be on the safe side. But the frost is, you got to do it below your frost line, which here is 1 foot. So again, there it is. And 7 feet away from there is that stake there, which I got to start running. That's the water. The first one was the water supply. This one's going to be the waistline, 3-inch waistline. I got to bring in and over to here. So that's it for now. I gotta get some water and keep digging. Well, if you liked today's video, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe by hitting the button down below. And stay tuned. In the future, we're going to be putting together some Schedule 40 PVC for the supply and the waistlines. I still got a little more digging to do here and there too, but you get the gist of the digging. Thanks for visiting. Take care.